Hey people, it's good to see you. Today we have something to unbox, Redmi Smart Band 2. As always, Xiaomi packaging is on point, clean and minimalist. Now let's see what's inside. The Redmi Smart Band 2, the USB cable, and the user manual. Here we go, we've got the star of the show, the Redmi Smart Band 2. And there you have it, the Redmi Smart Band 2. If you enjoyed this unboxing, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any question. See ya peoples, until next time.